All right, here we go. Before we get started with the breaks, mnum, personal box, Anthology. Boom. Please, no. Oh, we got some fatties. Ooh, we got a few fatties, I think. We got a few fatties. Let's see. It's hard to tell on some of these. I think that's one. That one might be a select card. Ooh, that's definitely a fatty. Alright. Here we go. Ryan Strome, hot rookie. And Jesper Fast, Prism rookie. Pack numero 1. What's up, Wheeler? Oh yeah, everyone loves a fatty. Freddie Hamilton, that's the Prism parallel. And Gustafsson, regular. Red O'Bara. And Kari Ramo. Looks like I sorted them pretty well. Oh, here's a titanium, maybe? I'll select. David Clarkson score. Ooh, to 199, John Gibson. Select rookie jersey autograph. John Gibson to 199. Very nice. And we're not even to the fatties. Anders Lee, hot rookie gold. And Christian Thomas to 249. Yeah, this case so far has been really bad, and we're almost done with it. So there haven't been any other case hits. Ask Rob, he'll tell you. Rasmus Ristolainen, hot rookie, and Connor Allen, select rookie. Chris Versteeg, score, and Magnus Hellberg, hot rookie autograph. So I think you have 3 fatties, and you've already got 3 hits. So this one feels like it might be a decoy or a select card. It's a decoy. Thomas Vanek. And gold, yep. Corey Perry gold to 100. Alright, 2 fatties. These last 2 are definitely fatties. Got some Dominion coming at you. Hampus Lindholm. And nice, Martin Jones, number 10 of 199. Rookie patch auto. Dominion RPA, Martin Jones. And what's this going to be? Luxury Suite, more Dominion. Ooh. Jonathan Bernier. Brock Nelson, hot rookie. And nice, Luxury Suite to 99. Martin St. Louis, jersey and stick to 99. So mnum, solid box. Gibson, a Dominion rookie patch auto, and a St. Louis to finish it off.